Huh? We got your straw all done? Do ya? Are you finished? Is it time to rest? Would you like a cookie? Rock, would you like a cookie? You would like a cookie? Rock, do you want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? There you go. Come on out here, get a cookie. Okay. Alright, sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. Want a cookie? Okay. That's the only one for bedtime. That's it. Nope, that's it. You want a pattern? That I can do for you. That I can do for you. Yeah, I know. I'm not going to give you another cookie, though. You don't always get cookies. Not always. You're such a cutie. Rock, you're such a cutie. Rock, you're such a cutie. You know your name already, don't you? Is it bedtime? Is it bedtime? You want a belly rubbing? Want a belly rubbing? Want a belly rubbing? Oh, I don't want to get a belly rubbing. Oh, I gotta get situated. Okay. Alright. Is that what you want? Oh yeah. That's the stuff. Yep. Yep. That's the stuff. I know, Hopper, you're not getting a belly rubbing. Rock is getting a belly rubbing. Matter, Hopper? Is that not fair? And a fire pit. What you doing, Rock? What you doing? Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy.